How to create WordPress website for affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you how you can easily create a WordPress website for affiliate marketing. Start by installing an affiliate plugin like Affiliate WP. It's highly recommended due to its robust features and seamless integration with easy digital downloads. First, visit the Affiliate WP website. Purchase a plan and download the plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins. Upload Affiliate WP, install, and activate it. Then, navigate to the Affiliate WP settings. Paste your license key and save changes. Next, launch the Setup Wizard, which will guide you through selecting plugins, setting up payouts, and configuring commissions. Afterward, customize the affiliate area where affiliates register, generate referral links, and track payouts. You can edit the registration form or create a custom affiliate area page. Upload marketing materials like banners and links for affiliates under the Creative section. You can test the system by adding yourself as an affiliate to preview the experience. Finally, decide whether to manually or automatically approve affiliate registrations and track your affiliate's performance through the Affiliate section. With Affiliate WP set up, you can now manage and grow your affiliate program on your WordPress site.